खुदा की देन नहीं खुद खुदा हो तुम, हर जख्म हर दर्द की दवा हो तुम, बेइंतहा मोहब्बत की दरिया हो तुम, हर सुख और हर खुशी का जरिया हो तुम। इस उदास बने दुनिया की जरूरत हो तुम, मेरी रूह मेरे दिल की इबादत हो तुम। हमारी खुशियों की पहचान हो तुम, इंसान नहीं मेरे लिए तो भगवान हो तुम।
एक परी है वो आई, जैसे दुनिया में रौनक सी है छाई, संगीत में हमें ऐसे डुबा दिया, जैसे भगवान ने आके गले लगा लिया। है ये हमारी श्रेया।
बैरी पिया बनके की थी शुरुआत, उसके बाद हो गए सारे सपने साकार। अब जो भी वो गुनगुनाए सभी है सुरों से आबाद। हम तो है एक नाचीज जिसको आपने बनाया अपने सुरों से मुकम्मल। हर रोज आपसे ही शुरू आपसे ही खत्म, क्योंकि आप ही हो मल्लिका ए सुर, नामी काफिया श्रेया घोषाल।
चाहे दुख हो चाहे सुख हो, तेरी मुस्कान याद आती है, तेरा चेहरा तेरी आदत हमें रोज तड़पाती है। आंखें तेरी समुंदर है, तू तो मेरी शान है, मुस्कान जब देखो तो अरे भगवान का दान है। तुम मेरे आसमान मेरी जमीन बन गए, हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम अभी तक भी जान नहीं पाए। जिंदगी में हमेशा साथ रहना, सुबह शाम हर पल, मेरे सुर जिसके नाम पे लिखा है वो कोई नहीं, माई श्रेया घोषाल।
श्रेया की सुरीली आवाज़ है जो दिल छूने की एहसास है वो, जैसे लगे किसी वीरानों में बरसों के बाद बरसात सी हो। श्रेया की सुरीली आवाज़ है जो दिल को छूने की एहसास है वो, जैसे लगे किसी वीरानों में बरसों के बाद बरसात सी हो।
कुछ थमी थमी सी थी जिंदगी ये मेरी, धुन उसकी कुछ अलग ही थी, पर जिस दिन सुनी आपकी आवाज़ लगा जैसे सारी धुन ही इस आवाज़ के लिए बनी हो। क्योंकि रास्ते में कहीं खो से गए हम, सुनने में लगा ऐसा जैसे कि बारिश की पहली बूंदें ज़मीनों को। आपकी आँखों में जैसे बस गई दुनिया हमारी, आपकी हंसी में मिली जैसे सारी जहां की खुशी हमारी। कभी मिले मौका तो छुए कदम आपके, क्योंकि बना दिया आपने मुझे।
दिन रात सुनता रहता हूँ एक ही आवाज, कैसे रहती है एक आवाज में इतनी मिठास, कान में गूंजता है उनकी ही धुन, दिल कहता है बस उनको ही सुन। उनकी आवाज का दीवाना हूँ मैं बचपन से, पता नहीं क्यों कब से और कैसे। मैं तो खुशनसीब हूँ कि उनको मिल पाया।
तुमको देख के एक नया जीवन है हमने पाया, सदियां गुजर गई दूर गया न तेरा साया। तुमको पाके लगा सारा जहां मिल गया, तेरे गीतों में दिल ये मेरा खो गया। न जाने कहाँ वो जहां होगा जहां तू मेरे साथ होगी, जिंदगी मेरी तेरे साथ एक हंसी दास्तां होगी।
मीठे बोल हम जब भी आपका सुनते हैं, लगता है मानो रस घुल गया है हवाओं में, दुनिया भी फीका पड़ जाए आपके इस जादूगरी आवाज़ के सामने। मधुशी क्या होती है आपकी आवाज़ सुन के जाना है हमने, ये मिठास कुछ इस तरह घुल गया है धड़कनों में कि हम भी शामिल हो गए आपके दीवानों में। अब ये रिश्ता कुछ इस तरह जुड़ गया है कि हर हो गया है हर रंग से भी ज़्यादा गहरा।
मीठी बोलियां जो बरसते हैं आपके लबों से, ये सीधे जाके टकराते हैं मेरे धड़कनों से, कुछ अलग सा सुकून महसूस करते हैं हम। आपकी आवाज़ तो है मेरे रूह के लिए मरहम, ना प्यार था ना दिल था, थे हम अंधेरे में, आपको सुनने के बाद अब रहते हैं सितारों में, जैसे हवाएं गूंजी रहती हैं आसमां में, वैसे आपकी आवाज़ गूंजती है मेरे तन मन में।
I cannot even think a day without listening your songs. I cannot even think a day without watching videos of your performances, interviews. I cannot even think a day without editing your pics, making videos of yours. I cannot even think a day without checking my notifications again and again with the hope to see your new post. That's how you and your music continue to influence my daily life. Your music is the air I breathe, is my strength, is my soul.
I always run short of words when it comes to you. Shreyadi, you are the star, the most bright and divine, and the way you treat others just adds up to that shine. There were few moments that I longed for, I prayed for, and I got so much more than whatever I asked in my prayers.
What to say about you? You are the heaven's view. You are oxygen for me. The world is you, oh Shreyadi. You inspire me a lot always with your word all the days. Your name is an emotion, the beautiful imagination. Without you, life is nothing. Thank you, Didi, for everything. Just keep spreading joy through your music. Stay happy and keep smiling.
Loneliness drift apart when I hear you sing. You are my moon who guide me across the dark. Music is the love of my life, and you are the potion. For the rest of my life, I am your devotee. You reside at my heart's throne. Maybe you physically never corrected my mistakes, but I have learned from you. Your voice notes, music quotes, they inspire me. When I'm scared on stage, imagining you holding my hands when my voice shakes gives me so much strength. Even the world is full of new art and artists. My world revolves around you. Been around the world, but home is the best place. Home, home, sweet home. My day starts and ends with Shreya Ghoshal.
Our day starts with you. Our day ends with you. Our life is filled with you. In fact, you are in every part of our lives as happiness and in fading away our sorrows. And we are in every part of your life as care, support, and infinite love.
Dear Queen of my heart, you know my happy soul. We can never be apart, meeting is my life's goal. What can I say about your voice when it's just too divine? Hearing your songs makes my eyes moist, and above all, you're just so kind. Attending your concerts makes me tremble. You charm everyone as you're amusing. Why Shreya Ghoshal is humble, and I see you as my biggest blessing. You're my best kind of addiction, and you mean my everything. Today's your day of entertainment and inspiration. And be happy cause I love you more than anything.
Your arrival is my expectation. Your entry is my happy. Your dance is my enjoyment. Your music is my soul. Your voice is my breath. Your smile is my medicine, and your word, sing with me, is my booster. Totally, you are my life and my inspiration.
You are my idol and my inspiration. You and your voice is just my motivation. Your voice is sweeter than sugar, and you have the most humble personality. You are my role model. You are just so inspirational. I just love you so much, and it is indescribable. I see the God in you, Shreya Didi. I see the God in you, Shreya Didi.
They told me to write a poem to you. I also started writing many things, but unable to write a beautiful poem as your name and heart. Yes, the only poem I got in my mind is just S-H-R-E-Y-A, Shreya.
Years of studying you, I saw you grow up, Shreya, but never knew or didn't even bother to know either that I wasn't that 10-year-old kid any longer.
The dream. Just close my eyes and heard you whisper, realize it's you in the dream. That's how I wonder. the dream that revisits countless times when I sleep, waving at you, humming with you. Then you suddenly asked for my name, thanking you forever, the dream when you came.
It is time to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can bring back your love someday. I will be there. I will be there. Fight, babe, I will fight to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there.
Shreya Ghoshal, the name which defines perfection from all respects, whom we call our Shreya Didi. She is recognized as the Indian Nightingale and the Melody Queen of India. Every time India can proudly say we have Shreya Ghoshal with us, who is our Kohinoor. She is the goddess Saraswati and the owner of the most soulful and soothing voice. She tries to make everyone happy by her sweetest smile. When we witness her live in her concerts, she makes the place heaven for us.
You are oxygen. Your songs provides me living logistics. You are a rose. I am fascinated by your beauty. You are H2O. Your transparent human being brings me clarity.
Shreya Ghoshal is a name which can bring smile on my face. Shreya Ghoshal is a personality who helps me to shape my personality. Shreya Ghoshal is a guide who always shows me the right path. Shreya Ghoshal is a voice that takes me in heaven. Shreya Ghoshal is the world where I always exist.
Shreya Ghoshal, this name is enough to live your life everywhere. Listening to her song made me feel so good. Would it be so wrong to call her a messenger of God? People are waiting to get a chance to meet her once. I haven't met her yet, but it's my dream to meet her. I just want to be sure that she is in my door. You are inspiration for us.
You are not a wizard, but still I get hypnotized through your charming tune or vocal. You are not a ray of light, but still your dazzling presence always brings full moon to the eclipse of my heart. You are not any spiritual power, but still, whenever I touch your feet, my heart gets sudden peace. You are not any baby sitting with Bina, but still I get the fragrance of autumn's first nice cactus through your beautiful alak. Yes.
I had no phone back then. 2007 was the year. A song often came on TV or radio. I used to hear Suna Suna Lamha Lamha. I didn't know the singer, but I had an attraction to this song. So weird, so rare. I fell in love with the voice without knowing her. The first thing I searched in internet was the singer. Then I got to know you, meet you, and fell for you more. It was only you who was by my side when no one was there. Your songs always motivated me. I never need a motivational speaker. I am grateful to you for your constant selfless support forever.
She is a star, so bright and divine, and the way she treats others just adds up to her little shine. We have never met before, but I know so much about you. You're millions of miles away, so I only see you on the stage or on my social media page. But still, I love everything you say. You teach me to love me for me. Your music gave me hope. You are the apple of my eye and inspiration for what I do. I guess all this time, all I have wanted to do is say one big thank you for being there when I wasn't fine.
She is the one who was always there Whenever my life gets harder, I feel her as some invisible power that makes me rise and walk farther. Her thoughts, her personality grace me. In my downs, her music braces me. I'm grateful to her from every aspect. She deserves all the love and respect.
You're the reason to live. You're the reason why I still believe in humanity. You're the reason I believe in God. Because you are my God. To me, you are my universe. Your smile, your songs make my whole day so beautiful. Every day, everything you do, I fall in love again and again. I love you more than walking a plane, babe. Thank you so much for everything.